Tanah Lot. Welcome to Indonesia, where ancient temples rise from the ocean and every sunset feels like a blessing. In Ubud, emerald rice terraces cascade like steps to heaven, a landscape shaped by centuries of quiet devotion. Uluwatu, where towering cliffs meet the wild sea and an ancient temple watches over the waves. In Bali, spirituality lives in every corner, offerings, incense and prayers rising toward Mount Agung. Indonesian flavors are bold and unforgettable. Smoky satay, spicy nasi goreng, and tropical fruit under the sun. Komodo National Park, home to ancient dragons, pink sand, and a wildness untouched by time. Yoga. In the heart of Ubud, the jungle becomes a sanctuary, a place to breathe and to simply be. Nusa Penida, Kelingking Beach, nature's own masterpiece, carved into cliffs that defy imagination. At sunrise on Mount Batur, the world feels newly born, clouds beneath your feet and light breaking over the horizon. On these floating markets, tradition drifts gently through the water, a rhythm untouched by modern time. On Bali's shores, the waves call to the free-spirited, where surfing feels like a dance with the sea. Indonesia isn't just a destination, it's a feeling that stays with you forever. Subscribe and join us, a new country every day.